Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we are going to discuss about the product web-based diagnostic classifier system for kidney lesions using image texture parameters. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract for the process. The images which present in the dataset were collected. The obtained images were trained. The test image is pre-processed in order to remove the noise from the image using the Gaussian filtered method. Then the thresholding is applied to the image, and based on that, regions in the image are segmented. The region of interest, that is the ROI, is selected from the method called Morphological Operation. The region of interest contains the tumorous and the non-tumorous portion also. Among that, we can just extract the tumor portion by using the morphological operation. Then the segmented region is undergone for the process of feature extraction. Feature points were detected from the image based on the shape of the regions around the each points extracted is taken. The features were extracted from the region of interest only, and the values were saved as an test features, while the training each neighborhood regions were labeled as affected and then the not affected, that is the normal region. Hence, this process is well suitable for all the dataset images. Hence, the reliability is high for all the dataset images. Hence, the efficiency of the morphological segmentation as well as the efficient feature extraction and classifications performed here. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram for the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. In the dataset, we have converting some diagram images into one JPEG format. That JPEG format image only taken as an input for the process. After getting any one image from the dataset, the pre-processing is carried out. In this pre-processing step, the Gaussian filter method is used to remove the noise present in the image. The noise removal is the step which is used to remove the unwanted pixel, that is the noisy pixel from the image, and the image will be enhanced from the noise. After the pre-processing, the morphological operation is used to extract the region of interest, that is known as the segmentation. By using the morphological operation, the affected portion only extracted and then the remains backgrounds will be eliminated. So after the applying of morphological operation, the feature extraction is carried out. In this feature extraction, the feature points are extracted by means of the GLCM feature extraction method. The GLCM is abbreviated as an gray level co-occurrence matrix. By using the GLCM method, the feature is extracted, then the test feature, trained feature and the targets are undergone for the classification. In this classification method, we are using the ANN, that is the artificial neural network, for the classification. Hence, the classification result only produces whether the input is normal or the tumorous. After the classification, the performance measured is carried out by using the parameters like accuracy, sensitivity and specificity. By using these parameters, we can justify our process is efficient or not. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure for the process. At first, open the MATLAB 2015b and change the current directory. If you want to execute the code means just right click in the mainfile.m and select the option run. Now the dataset folder was opened. In that you can see the several dataset ultrasound images. Select any one image from the dataset and the process will be done automatically. Hence the result will be shown one by one. After the finishing of the project, I will explain the results one by one. Now the process was completed. At first, the input image which I have taken from the dataset are displayed in the figure 1 with the title input image. After that, the pre-processing is carried out. In this pre-processing step, first of all, we have to resize the image into an aspect ratio. Whatever the input image, we can just resize the image into an 256 cross 256. Hence, the number of rows presented in the image is 256 and the number of columns presented in the image is 256. After that, the filtering is done by using the Gaussian filtering method. Hence, the filtered image is shown in the figure 3 with title filtered image. After that, the threshold segmentation result is shown in the figure 4 with the title threshold segmentation. Now the morphological segmentation result is shown in the figure 6. Hence the morphological consists of the 6 steps. First one is the inverted image, second one is the eroded image, third one is the dilated image, fourth one is the open image, fifth closed image, and then the sixth result shows the final segmentation result. At last the segmentation result will be shown like this. Hence, the final segmentation result is shown in the figure 8 with the title segmented image. Now, the region of interest, that is the affected part, only shown in the elliptical format and the other backgrounds will be eliminated. After that, the feature is extracted from the image by using the GLCM feature extraction method. Hence, the value of the features are shown in the tabulator. Now, the final classification result is shown in the message box. Hence, the identification type is the normal lesions. Thanks for watching this video.